I'm Naomi from Newbie Nims, and today I'm back in the kitchen and I am going to be cooking another Korean inspired dish. This one is for the Hansik food video competition for foreigners. I'm going to be cooking a pork dish and it's going to be using minced pork and gochujang, gochugaru, seaweed, shiitake mushrooms, tofu, and of course kimchi. It's very similar to an Australian dish that we have here. Similar not in terms of taste, but similar in terms of how you cook it. In Australia, predominantly in regional communities, we have a dish called savoury mince, which is normally using a type of mince or ground meat. It can be minced chicken, pork, beef, turkey, and then lots of vegetables, whatever vegetables you have, and then with some kind of tomato-based sauce. I'm not cooking that today, but what I am cooking, my spicy pork and rice dish. How I'm putting all the ingredients is using the same process as savoury mince. The other thing with this dish is I follow a low to no gluten diet. I'm very intolerant to gluten, and a lot of Asian foods use soy sauce, which is of course not gluten-free. So I will be using gluten-free soy sauce. Also, the gochujang that I'm using today, there are two varieties that I've come across that do not have wheat listed in the ingredients. It doesn't say that it is gluten-free, but it is low gluten because obviously there is no wheat added. I can't see any other barley or soy sauce or anything like that added in it. So there's this variety here that I use a lot. I really like this brand, and this one that I just picked up yesterday. So both of these I believe are fine for me. They might not be fine for you if you're following a strict gluten-free diet, so just keep that in mind. Awesome, let's get cracking with this dish. Seriously, this. Wow! My partner and I really like spicy food. So this is quite spicy. I also don't measure anything out. I go by sight. So if you think it's too spicy for you and you're trying this recipe at home, please go a little bit less if you can't handle spicy food. A bit of soy sauce, not too much. Okay, so the next part, we're going to heat up the rice and we're going to cook an egg. And it is this one here. So it just needs to go in the microwave for a few seconds and then it's ready to go. So I'll wait till the eggs are cooked and then this will go in last. Okay, and there you have it. My spicy kimchi pork bowl with rice. And it made 4 servings, so lots of leftovers. And there you have it. It's my spicy pork bowl with rice. You can put the rice underneath it if you want, or you can just serve it separately like this. I normally put the rice underneath, but this time I'm serving it separately. So I put an egg on top, it's a little bit runny. Let's taste test. Delicious. It's actually not too spicy. Because I use the shiitake water, I put a little bit of water in as well. For me, it's not that spicy, even though you saw me use a lot of gochugaru, a lot of gochujang in there. But it's actually not that spicy. So enjoy! And that's it from me. I'm Naomi from Newbie Nims. I hope you try Korean cooking. It's a taste that you just can't find anywhere else in the world. Enjoy, have a great day. Bye!